Case 4. If the teammates unfortunately does not answer the question or answers the question wrongly, still the team as a whole will lose the total number of points which they had chosen as negative from their initial score.
The rules clear. Moving on to the last round.
Start the brain game. Team A, who is your representative?
Okay, on stage. You have to face the audience.
Face the audience.
Face the audience.
What do you want? 10 or 20?
10.
10.
Going for a 10.
10 pointer. Unlock. Which world famous historical heroes' last words were, I am dying, but that too with the help of too many physicians who are entitled to treat me. Rafa, your history textbooks. 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard.
Time is running out.
Time is running out.
Please give the
Do
answer.
you want to consult your teammates?
You want to consult?
Alright.
Okay. Teammates, the answer.
What?
Napoleon.
Napoleon is sadly the wrong answer and team A gets a -10. Unfortunately, we start off with a minus.
Now, it's Team B's chance. Who is your representative?
Alright,
On
Sriram, please come on
stage.
stage.
Now,
Face the audience.
what do you choose? A 10 or a 20? 10?
10.
10.
10.
Unlock. Okay, the question. Santa Maria, Pinta and Nina were the names of the ships led by which famous explorer? Question is as simple as that.
Very simple. Sit.
Christopher Columbus.
Christopher Columbus.
Christopher Columbus, is that the answer?
Is that the answer? Sure. Sure. We are sure that's the answer. 10 points.
10.
Christ
Team
number
C's
is on
chance.
roll today.
Team
Team
C's
C.
chance.
Representative. Come on stage. Face the audience.
What do you choose? A 10 or a 20?
Seems like it's 10 day today. 10 points. Unlock. Sit up. Which medieval age scientist made the striking discovery that all objects, heavy or light, fall with the same velocity?
Galileo Galilei.
Galileo Galilei.
Spell it.
That was spot on. 10 points.
10 points for Carmen. We have Science
School.
next. And who is your
Representative.
10.
Okay, face the audience.
10 points.
Another 10.
Another 10.
Okay.
It seems like everybody is going for 10. Okay, the question. Which Nobel Prize is decided upon and awarded by the Caroline Institute of Stockholm, Sweden? That's a sitter. Okay, you can consult your teammates.
If you want to consult your teammates, you
You
can.
can consult your teammates.
Do you want to consult your teammates? You want.
You want.
Pass the mic to your teammates.
Pass. Teammates.
Teammates.
Okay, okay. You are
want-
going the answer. Okay.
You want to consult your teammates?
Economics.
Economics. Economics is sadly, unfortunately not the answer which we were looking for.
And you get a -5.
Because the answer was Nobel for Physiology and Medicine. It is awarded by the Linnaeus Institute of Sweden.
Now,
Along
for the
with-
next question. Team
Team
E,
E.
your representative on stage.
Right.
Now, what are you choosing? A 10 or a 20? 20. That's a brave attempt.
And a brave boy. And although he's short.
Okay.
The question is, how did Mr. James Earl Ray make headlines after an unprecedented event which shocked the world on the 4th of April 1968, USA? James Earl Ray. Assassination. I'll give you a clue, that's an assassination.
Was
Assassination
he
of
one
whom?
Was he one of the survivors of an earthquake?
No, you can consult your teammates before giving the
Do
answer.
you want to consult your teammates?
You have an option of consulting your teammates. No, you're not consulting them.
Seems like he
and
does
you
not
don't
trust
know
his
the
teammates.
answer. Okay, that's a -10. That was the
Minus
wrong
10.
answer. The
Was-
answer was
He assassinated Martin Luther King.
Now, we move on to the second circle. In
And
this circle, we have a 30
pointer
pointer
coming down.
in as well.
Team A.
Okay, Team A's chance. Second
this-
representative
this-
on stage.
Why don't we go in the reverse order? Start with Team E.
Okay, okay.
Team E.
Team E.
Alright.
Okay,
So-
what do you choose?
You have a 30 pointer also.
Third option also is there. 10, 20 or 30?
What do you want to do?
30.
30, going for 30.
This retail chain in India is inspired by a small family-run shop in Chennai named Sharon. The corporate group to which this retail chain belongs has now also entered into the insurance and finance fields. Name the chain. Think big.
Yeah, hint is big.
Big.
Go for the answer.
Big. Big.
You can
Bajaj.
consult your teammates.
Bajaj.
What?
What?
Bajaj. Bajaj.
Bajaj is not so big.
Not,
Cause you
not
get
so big. So
negative,
that's
negative
negative
15,
15.
for Teamy. Cause the answer was Big Bazaar.
Now, moving on to the second question of this circle.
T-
TF Sainik School. Okay, the representative on stage. Now, what do you choose? 10, 20 or 30?
20.
20. Going for another 20. The euro is currently the most accepted monetary unit in Europe. Which currency did this euro replace on January 1st, 1999 at a ratio of 1:1? I need you to name the currency.
Even if you give us the abbreviation, we'll agree.
Yeah.
Dollar.
What? In Europe, dollar.
That is
Pound.
Sadly, wrong.
wrong.
Minus 10.
10 for Team D. Team C, girls.
Team C.
Who do you want? Come up,
Okay,
face the
on
audience.
stage.
10, 20,
20.
10. Starting from the small.
Starts with the 10.
Very, very easy. Which reputed technocrat or tech savvy wrote the road ahead about the future of computing and got its concept totally wrong the next year? World famous. If you miss this, you miss the quiz.
Go for the answer. You want to consult your teammates. Yes, teammates.
Start your teammates. Teammates.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
Your gate is opened because that is the answer which we were looking for. It was Bill Gates.
Now,
5
team-
points for Kavan.
Now it's Team B's chance. Your representative.
The leaders, who are the same?
What do you choose? A 10?
10.
10.
Okay, again going for a 10. Okay, the question. Which word in the Arabic language originally meant old man, although now it can mean elder of a tribe, revered wise man, or Islamic scholar?
Islamic scholar.
You
Saudi
need to
Arabia.
give the word in the Arabic
If you-
language.
I'll give you a clue. If you go to Saudi Arabia, Kuwait and all, you represent, you actually acknowledge people by this.
You also have an option of consulting the teammates.
Consult
Okay, give the answer.
Ustad.
Ustad.
Whoa, that was sadly
Not the
wrong.
answer. Because Ustad is not the answer.
Okay.
We were
You
looking
get
for
-5.
Sheikh.
-5.
The answer was Sheikh.
Now, for the last question of this quiz episode.
So,
Okay, what do you choose?
10, 20, 30.
20. 20, going for a 20. The question. The Indian Pacific Train. Have you heard of the Indian Pacific Train?
Yes.
Connects the two oceans.
Okay. The Indian Pacific Train is a unique transport service that links the two